Welcome back to our latest update on Miami Freedom Park, one of the most anticipated sports and entertainment destinations in the United States. Construction is moving forward at an impressive pace, and the vision for this iconic venue is becoming clearer with each passing week. From the exterior, the stadium's main structure is now standing tall, with cranes working across the site to complete the upper frames and roof supports. The seating bowl is taking shape, showcasing the scale and design that will soon host thousands of fans. Inside, groundwork continues, including utility installations, drainage, and foundational work for the pitch and surrounding fan zones. Each section of the build reflects a focus on safety, comfort, and world-class amenities. The entire project is 100% privately financed by Inter Miami CF's ownership group. It includes market-rate rent to the city and is expected to generate about 15,000 jobs and over $40 million annually in tax revenue. The development began after a 2018 Miami referendum, where nearly 60% of voters approved negotiations for a 99-year lease on the old Mel Reese golf course site. Groundbreaking took place in August 2023, with the opening targeted for 2026. Miami Freedom Park is more than just a stadium. It's set to be a hub for sports, entertainment, and community gatherings. The construction teams are working tirelessly to meet deadlines, and with progress like this, excitement is building across the city.